Huh.
taking a video.
Wow.
Are you taking a video?
I am taking a video
Why?
of the train backing up into Honda.
Hi, folks. We're having a nice weekend. The two sides.
Nah.
Thank you.
There it goes.
Here comes the next part of the video, folks.
Say hi, Riker.
Hi. Woo, woo, woo. Next part.
There comes the engine, boys.
Why does he still have its lights on? Why does he still have its lights on, Daddy?
I don't know. He's backing up. They always have the lights on when they're backing up.
Why? Sometimes this guy doesn't have lights. Why
Yay!
did it honk somehow? Somehow it honked.
Yeah.